Today we're making strawberry poke cake. For the ingredients, you need water, oil, and eggs. So we have to start
And the cake mix.
Yeah, and the cake mix. We have to start by opening the cake mix, and then pouring it into here. Maybe a bigger bowl would be better. We need 1 cup of water into the mix. Now we need half a cup of olive oil. Alright, we need half a cup of oil. Okay, now we need to put the 3 eggs in the bowl. 1, 2, 3. Now mixing it. I'll play back the recording when we're done. Right. Okay, now we gotta spray this. This is
With non-stick spray.
Yep. Alright. Now I gotta take the whisker out. Still a little more. Okay, now we're gonna put it in.
So at this point, Jared went to bed, so I am finishing the cake for us. So I just used whatever tool was available in my kitchen to poke holes in the cooled cake. And I'm going to be mixing 2 cups of cold milk with 1 package of sugar-free Jell-O pudding mix. I'm adding the Jell-O pudding mix to my milk, and I'm going to whisk it for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then I pour it all over the cake, and I make sure that I evenly distribute it. And I'm going to take a spatula and I'm going to push as much as I can into the holes that I poked in my cake so the pudding can just go in every single one of them. Once this is done, I'm going to mix 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and I'm gonna whip it. And you can use sugar or powdered sugar or whatever you'd like. I have some sugar substitutes that I chose to use, and I did 2 large spoons of this into my whipping cream, and then I spread it all over on top of the cake. 2 cups was way too much. I should have only done 1, but now I have whipped cream for a different meal that I could make. And then I chopped up some strawberries and I put them on top of my cake. And at this point, I covered it and I put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours.